Hello and welcome back to World Traveler Cooking, the show where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make baba al rum. Now, if you've gotten this dish at many bakeries, they're probably using fake rum flavor. We're going to make it with real rum because I don't like fake flavors of anything. However, if you want to make like a halal version, you could probably get some fake rum flavor or something for it. The main cake's ingredients are basically we have 3 eggs, which we will separate, 60 grams of sugar, 130 grams of flour, that's just a little more than a cup, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, and we will have some butter to grease the tin with. And the syrup is made with 6 tablespoons or 75 milliliters of rum, 100 grams or half a cup of salt, and 200 milliliters of water. And I assume most people probably have metric gradated measuring cups, so that should work fine. At any rate, let's go ahead and get started. So for my batter, I'm going to start by whisking in my 3 egg yolks into the butter, and I'm just going to beat this until all the sugar dissolves and we have a white mixture. This will take a couple minutes. I'll be back, and then we'll beat the egg whites after we mix the rest of our batter together. So you can see it just keeps lightening up, and this is sort of what we're looking for. This is pretty well dissolved now. I think another minute or so and we'll be ready to mix in the rest. So I switched bowls here because I need something a little bigger, and I did forget that I need a teaspoon of baking powder, so I've added that here to the flour. And in goes our this, and we're just going to mix this up nicely. I'm not using my whisk because I want to use my whisk to beat the egg whites, which I will do in a moment. So I'm just going to stir this together here. And in just a few short minutes, I have some nice stiff peaks. I'm going to whisk in a pinch of salt. Maybe that's just a little too little of a pinch. And then we're going to fold our dough elements together. This is a little bit difficult because this is rather stiff batter slash dough. So I've decided to put this in the springform pan. I was hoping for something a little fancier, but I'm realizing I would need a lot more. This will expand as it cooks, so, but we will see. Even this is looking a little bit big for this. So this will now go in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 375 Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. Then we'll take it out and decorate it with the syrup, which I'll make in the meantime. So I have mixed the sugar and water for the syrup in here. And we'll just bring it to a boil. And then we will add our, then we'll take it off the heat and we will add our rum. So this has cooled a bit. I'm going to mix in my rum well, and here we have our rum syrup. And from here, this will go on the cake when it's done. So it's been about 20 minutes. It's starting to look nice and golden. The next step is to take this off of the mold and then put the mold back on. So this will be just 1 second. It's going to be, I'm not going to do it on the camera because this is really hot, so I've got to have a lot of effort on this. Now that this has been loosened from the mold, we're just going to slowly pour the syrup over the top. And now for the taste test. This is really nice. I've had some friends who say they don't like this, but then clarify that it's the artificial rum flavor that they get at certain bake shops. I think that would be really bad to use artificial flavor in this. With actual rum, and made in this way, it's actually a very refined flavor. It's not, it doesn't hit you over the head with the rum flavors. It doesn't taste fake, because of course there's nothing fake in it. It's just, the rum just kind of gives it that nice, sophisticated edge. And the texture, well, it might seem soggy when you just look at it, actually is very, very nice. It's soft, and you just kind of get these wonderful layers of flavor together. It's very nice. This is definitely a dish that you can make to impress people. It's definitely a higher end, very sophisticated dish. Now, if you like content like this, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comments. At any rate, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.